Hi everyone, welcome to US Immigration Hub channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about what happened next after your I-140 is approved. Basically, next steps that you need to take after I-140 is approved. If you are new to this channel, my name is Liman and I make videos for a family-based immigration to simplify the immigration process and give you a confidence to go through your immigration journey by yourself. First of all, I am not an immigration attorney. I'm here to help you based on the information you have from USCIS and also based on the feedback I have from my subscribers. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, share, hit notification bell, and give us a big like so YouTube can share the video with more people. So if you're ready, let's get started. When USCIS approves your petition, the first thing you will receive is an email like this one right here. They're gonna tell you, we have taken an action on your case. Sign in to your account to view your case status. Once you sign to your account, it will be like this. It will have like a message like this one right here that your case has been approved in this date, and we sent your case receipt number to NVC. And if you check it from USCIS online account as well, status check, it will have this message as well that your case it's been sent to the Department of State. Within a couple of days, you will receive I-797 approved notice telling you that basically they approved your petition and it will be sent to NVC for processing. Basically, if you have an email, you will receive that information before you receive I-797 approval notice. Now, the first step is NVC processing. What does it mean? Once USCIS approves your petition, they will send you I-797 telling you that they approved your petition. And at the meantime, USCIS will send your approved petition for NVC for processing. NVC will receive your case, enter the data from your petition into the system, then create your login credential and send it to you as a welcome letter, like this one right here. This is for immigrant visa case. They will send you NVC case number, invoice ID number, and the link. If you click on the link, it's gonna take you to the sign-in page. The first thing you need to do is check I have read the terms of the Privacy Act notice. Then you enter the case number right here, and then it's gonna take you to the next page where you can enter the invoice ID number, and then you select the one that apply for you. You will have 4 options: petitioner, applicant, and attorney or third-party agent. Then you enter the characters above right here, and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, they're gonna take you to your main NVC account. Check this information right here. It comes from your petition. Make sure everything is right. And if you want to update your email address, you can do it from here because NVC mainly communicate with email. This is the bottom of your NVC account. It will show Affidavit of Support fee, IV fee, and Affidavit of Support document, financial evidence, IV application, and civil document. The first thing you need to do is pay the fees, Affidavit of Support fee and IV fee. If this button right here are not enabled, you must wait for this email right here from NVC telling you that they are ready to collect the fee from you. So this is a process. You cannot pay fees at the same time. You must pay them separately. Once you pay Affidavit of Support fee, you're gonna start uploading Affidavit of Support document and financial evidence for petitioner or primary sponsor. And for applicant, which is gonna be the same person filing I-140, you will need IV fee. You're gonna pay the fee, start the S-260, print the confirmation page, and this button will be enabled and start uploading the civil document. We already talked about this one. So now pay fee. We already talked about that. Just I'm gonna before you pay the fee, you will need immigrant visa application processing fee and Affidavit of Support fee. You will need a bank, a U.S. bank routing number and checking or saving account number from a U.S. bank based. So you cannot use international banks. This is the fees. You will need $120 for Affidavit of Support fee. For IV application, you will need $345 for IV fee for EB2 visa. Now let's pay Affidavit of Support fee. So you click on the pay button, pay now, like this one right here on top right here, pay now. It's gonna take you to the next page where you can select the fee you want to apply. We're gonna select the first one, which is Affidavit of Support fee. Check it, then pay the selected fee, and then it's gonna take you to the page where you can enter the bank information and your address, and then click pay, and then you will pay the Affidavit of Support fee. Now let's pay IV application fee. Same way, if you can see that right here, the status is paid, and sometimes it will be in progress. And you can start now uploading Affidavit of Support. We're going to talk about that in later this video. Now for IV application is the same way. Click on the pay button, pay now button. Same thing, select the fee you want to pay. As I mentioned, you cannot pay both at the same time. You select both of them pay. You must pay them separately. You select the IV application fee, then pay selected fee. It's going to take you the same way to the next page where you can enter your information and the bank information. Then click on submit. Payment. I'm sorry, this one is not clear. Now, once the both fees are paid, the status will change paid here to paid. Both of them are paid. Now, step 3 is start uploading Affidavit of Support and financial document. So here, that's your account. Once you click on them, it's going to take you to this page right here. They're going to give you just the requirement of the uploading document. Click on the start now, and it's going before you need to check the requirement for I-64. For 2 people, you will need 25,550 as 125% of HHS public guidelines if you are not armed forces. If you are not in armed forces, this is only for 48 states, not including Hawaii and Alaska. 3 people, you need 32,275, and 4 people, you need 39,000. Now you can upload Affidavit of Support. As you can see right here, is missing, and I have a video on my channel on how to upload them. If you click on a row right here, you can upload it. Once you upload it, as you can see right here, the status will change to uploaded, and the date will change as well for both Form I-64 and the federal income tax return or transcript. Once you upload all of them, this is for a petitioner or for the petitioner or sponsor, primary sponsor. All of them have to be uploaded right here. And then we're going to talk about submit later on. Now you need to file this 260 and submit it and print the confirmation page. You're gonna click on incomplete, and it's gonna take you to the page where you can complete this 160, and I have this 260, and I have a video on my channel on how to do that, and it is very, very detailed video. Once you complete this 260, you must print the confirmation page and email it to yourself. Sometime NVC will send you a copy as well to your email that you submitted to them. Make sure this information right here is right, because as I mentioned, it comes from your petition. Everything comes from your petition. As you can see right here, they're gonna tell you right here, once you complete and you complete this 260, NVC will send you an email telling you that thank you for being a valued U.S. Consular Electronic Application Center customer. Your electronic visa application has been submitted, and they're going to give you the confirmation right here. Now your status, as you can see, will be changed to completed. Once this one changed to completed, you must upload civil document, which is step 5. Upload upload civil documents. Same way, if you click on them, they're going to give you a requirement for document. They have to be less than 4 megabytes and must be translated. This is a requirement civil document for applicant. In this case, it's going to be the petitioner, is the applicant. You need a photocopy of valid passport biographic page. You need birth certificate. If you have any, this one is not going to apply for you. You need a marriage certificate. You're married. You need, if you've been married before, you need a marriage termination documentation, military record, police certificate, court and prison record, proof of qualification and outstanding, and complete online visa application. Already done that one. And this is another evidence that you need. Proof of ability to pay. This one you didn't need this one because it's self-petition. Labor, you didn't need this one as well. You need a proof of qualification. You must add them, and proof of outstanding ability. Evidence, or you don't need that because it's a self-petition. And birth certificate, of course, we already talked about it right here. Now scan document. Once you have all this documentation, you must scan them clearly. Make sure they are clear. This is just a requirement. I'm not going to go through it. This is a 2x2 picture requirement. I'm not going to go through it. You need access to the computer and scanner or smartphone with internet connection to scan your civil document. Of course, everybody knows that. And they have to be in this format: PDF preferred, JPG, and JPEG, and must be less than 4 megabytes. And must be clear. They give you a requirement right here. If you can see this one right here, just they give you an idea right here what requirements are. Now you're gonna start. Once you scanned all documents and you save them in your computer, you must start uploading civil documents. You're gonna click on them, and it's gonna show missing. I have a video on how to upload document. This is the document. Once you upload them, they're gonna show like this right here. You need the passport biographic page, photographs, birth certificate, marriage certificate, police certificate, a criminal court, and a prison record. And for this, you will need proof of ability to pay. You will need a proof of qualification. You will need a proof of outstanding ability, and you need a birth certificate. Of course, we already uploaded right here. Now, step 7 is submit documents. We're gonna talk about submit document for petitioner. It's very simple. Just click on submit, and the status will be changed to submitted. We're gonna submit civil document for the applicant. In this case, it's gonna be the same as petitioner. As you can see, now they are uploaded. Once you click on submit, the status will be changed to submitted. Now, from this point right here, once you submit the document, NVC will work on them, and once they accept them, you will become documentary qualified. And NVC will send you an email like this one right here, telling you that your case becoming documentary qualified. At this point right here, they will work with your consulate to schedule an interview for you. And you gotta remember, AB2, it goes with priority date though. Just right here, I want to show you that all documents are accepted. Same thing for applicant right here. Is the same way, is because it's a petitioner. Now interview scheduled. Once now NVC schedule an interview for you, they will send you a letter telling you that they schedule an interview for you, and they give you the date, the time, and the location where you will have interview. So interview preparation, you must prepare for interview. You must register for career services before interview, gather documentation required for interview, and you need the S260 confirmation page and the interview letter. 10 applicant interview. That's step 10. At the interview, in the consular officer, you will have interview with the consular officer, and if you see everything is right, he will issue the visa. First, this status is ready, means it's ready for interview. And if who must attend the interview, of course, the petitioner or the applicant. In this case, it is the same because 140 for self-petition. I already talked about this right here. This is what you need for interview: appointment letter, passport, photographs, this 260 confirmation page, and supporting documents. Now, as you can see right here, all of them accepted. I'm not going to go through this one. So the scheduled date and the time your interview appointment, you go to your consulate where you will have interview, and the consular officer will interview you and ask you some basic question about your case. If you answer them correctly and if everything is right, he will issue the visa. So that's step 11 after the interview. So if you see everything is right with your case, it will issue the visa and you will receive the visa within 10 business days. If you see something wrong, it will go under refused. It's going to be refused and you're going to receive 221G. And if you submitted the required document and the consular officer still see something wrong with your case, is going to go under administrative processing. So under administrative processing, nobody knows how long it's going to take. So now let's assume that your green card is approved. Your visa is approved. So you will get your passport and you will travel to the United States. You need to pay your visa, pay green card fee. So you receive like paper like this one right here. Now they go digital, so they don't give the envelope no more. So you will everything is paperless now. But you must pay the fee, and I have a video on my channel on how to do that to pay the fee. So the fee is $235 now for to pay for the green card fee. If you don't pay, you are not gonna receive the green card. So you must pay the fee before before they print your green card. So this is the end of this video. I hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. Thank you, and see you next video.